HIPAA-compliant web forms, how it works. If you're watching this, chances are you've just inherited a website with a not so HIPAA-compliant form software. Or perhaps you're building out a healthcare website and are in need of HIPAA-compliant web forms. Or maybe you're just keeping up with HIPAA-compliant regulations as it applies to your online presence. We built RevelForms after finding ourselves in similar situations. Managing marketing campaigns for healthcare, we'd have our initial onboarding and discovery calls, and we'd quickly learn that personal health information was well protected in the physical environment, in the office, but the website contact forms, email subscriptions, and web analytics were all too similar to the Wild West. So how does it work? Well, let's review. Step 1. When a website visitor submits a RevelForm, our goal is to create an experience your user is actually excited to complete. This means creating simple, interactive components, touring your facility, or introducing the viewer to the doctor they'll likely be meeting with. As questions appear, users can ask their own questions, submit information, and even schedule an appointment. We find interactive forms drive higher conversion rates, specifically on desktops for healthcare. Once the viewer makes it to the end of the video, they hit submit and close out the video. Step 2. Once the video is submitted, a user on your end receives an email. Note, this email does not contain the information from the form. This information is only accessible by clicking on a unique URL. Step 3. The unique one-time URL opens and immediately asks for a password. If and only if the organization password is submitted, can you access that specific form completion. Quick note about the password. We can customize on a per-user basis. It is stored encrypted in our HIPAA-compliant Microsoft Azure database. At no point is there a way to view all previous submissions on one screen, and this is intentional. Step 4. Storage. While the form submission data is stored in our Azure setup, this is HIPAA compliant. What makes accessing this information HIPAA compliant is the use of a unique account-specific password combined with the fact that each submission URL is unique. There is no way for an organization to log in and see all of the form submission that they have received. They are only accessed by this unique URL. Internally, on your side, keeping access to the email, creating a difficult to crack password with 10+ characters, including symbols, uppercase, lowercase, and numbers, is of course key to the security of your data. If you have additional questions about our HIPAA compliant forms, feel free to reach out.